Hi, I am Julie JordanScott, the Creative Life Midwife. Welcome to my YouTube channel. What you will find here? Well, you will find videos about writing, specifically journaling, free flow writing, brain dumping, the creative process, spirituality, and sometimes I venture into things like parenting special needs children or advocacy and activism. But mostly, this channel is about igniting your artistic rebirth, helping you to express yourself more fully, becoming an expression, a person who expresses herself or himself in alignment with who you are, who you've always been, but who you might have covered up as you got stuck. We work to unblock through 5 for 5 brain dump. We invite thought and contemplative writing through poetry and writing prompts. And always, always, always we come with a little bit of eccentric quirkiness. So if that appeals to you, I hope you will subscribe. I hope you will watch a few of the videos. I've made playlists specifically with you in mind. Thank you for coming, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.